not be even ripped. We don't see this logo for some people, their t-shirts inside town, not be so. And some of we, I don't pass someone they ask and say, this one now which group? So if you find some people will listen today. We hear what this group will be all about. Okay. So I want to talk say Bindom Humanitarian Association of Peace and Hope. It be an organization where it be non-profit. You know, be not for make money. The organization be not for see safety. Make it put smile with people their face, people the way they feel pains for life, or people the way they don't get. When they hear people okay. So especially the people, the areas they want to intervene for, now like young girls, like we see for here, we get young picking them where they for here. We try to assist them to see how we bring them, make them grow to for make them in life, for be responsible for them in life. Don't people live a life where it makes sense. Don't people young people she don't say the only thing for life now follow man picking before you can make up for life. Now one thing that way would they fight for society. Once see a society where all young people them they will be responsible. So would they want to see all the young people they may be responsible in life, and for see a society where the amount of suffering will be reduced. It be true say we not fit do everything, but the small one we want to do and so the next person will try for help or assist the other person. Now wait that way be help it all about it be out for do. Bindom them they so some people would ask and say why would we choose that name Bindom them? We don't say for our community. For instance, when you go for outside, you will talk say, if I dey for my village or if I dey for womb, I not be sleep hungry, not be so. Now because the woman for our land, he get a good heart for doing it. For 6 months, she don't work, no job. Now so now, so this Bindom them, it be mama way, it be right. We need to conceptually for this organization. Feeling like never. So actually, that one, that begin they like that kind of attitude they get that they try to copy out. And if it copy that attitude, they try to do it for CC, make that attitude make it touch other people their lives. And that became when they be born and when they be one for take other people their life, now they want to stand for una from to. Amen. Amen. So wait you would it as we don't talk say would they try to see a society where it be free from whether it be the suffering, it be reduced. Makes person where you don't even get that able to try for see reason for living in life. We try to give hope. Now why do we get the Humanitarian Association of Peace and Hope? It be an association of people, not be rich people. The association, when I see me for here, I be a small man, The association of people they get compassion. They be poor for things and for this ground, but they be rich for heart. You get a capacity of volunteer about 120, even though someone they out of womb. When they get the heart for doing it, we don't go see this speaking where they need help. What you will do, we'll come together, we'll bring, you want bring 50, you want bring 25, you want bring 10 francs. We'll join them together and go assist that picking. Don't be saying we'll get some money for some side. Now work that for Bindom. Then we'll see the stories or the achievements for Bindom. I believe say some people they get testimonies for here. Say 2015 we'll be get an educational talk. Well, we go down for schools that some students and they testify. We'll go around, not say we'll go give them some plenty thing, we'll not give them any plenty thing. Small book or pen, then they write exam, it will be that time for their exam. So we assist them for that one, then we'll encourage them, counsel them, because it be one of the mission for BIHA, for counsel again, make it get good sense. They talk say if we get plenty money, but when you don't get good fashion, the money don't get anything now. You don't get anything now. So now they think that we've been doing like it work out for do. So for that 2015 again, we carry out free medical surgery for district hospital here for over 25 people them, minor and major cases. When people them where they know we get the money for go hospital for treat themselves for go through operation. They have a partnership with Ascovin and